All right, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about and breaking down a step-by-step tutorial on how to use FunderPro. For those that don't know, this is the best prop firm you can use in the trading space. They are 100% legit. They actually pay out, get real funds, no time limits. I'm using them. I actually have two challenges with them. For those that don't know, I do enjoy doing these challenges, and I get it. Times are tough. Not everyone has all of this money to deposit into their trading account, right? So that is why it's very important to understand that, hey, you might need to step up and buy a funded account. Now, there's different types of challenges. You obviously have swing challenges, regular and fast track. With me, obviously, if you're an experienced trader, you can use fast track, which means that once you complete the challenge, then you get a live funded account and you're able to trade with someone else's money. And if you make profit, then obviously there's a split, right? They get their small percentage for basically using, letting you use their money, and then you get your profit. And these guys actually pay out. Now, obviously, the prop firm space sometimes can be very toxic, but these guys, the owners behind FunderPro, are 100% legit, right? They are backed up, and that is why I support them, and that is why I use them. Now, again, I have a $100,000 account that I'm basically challenge that I'm working on completing. I got two challenges, and both of these I've been working on. I'm not giving them 100% of my time, and one of the things that I love about this is that there is no time limit, right? So obviously, for those that don't know, I trade with obviously a real account, real money, but then I like to do these challenges on the side to just to show people that, hey, anybody can do this. You can pass them, and then you can start receiving payouts. And like I say at every YouTube video, if you trade well, profits will follow. So with this video, I want to show you guys step by step inside, basically navigate you on the back end of the dashboard. And if you guys are interested in buying your own prop firm funded account, then use my link and you guys will get 10% off the price. Now, again, with trading, it takes money to make money, right? So not everybody has a $5,000. If you see where my cursor is, not everyone has $5,000 to trade with. Not everyone has $200,000 to trade with. But if you come and you buy a $50,000 account, right? So you're basically going to pay $350, right? Take 10% off of that. Spend $350, right? You get a $50,000 account. It's very simple, right? Your profit target is 14%. Okay, so if you basically with this $50,000 account, once you hit the target, once you hit the goal, then they're going to refund you the $350 and you're going to trade with real money. And anytime you make profit, they're going to take their small percentage, right? They're going to take their small percent, and then you're going to get paid out each and every single time you request a withdrawal. So it's pretty good stuff. Now, within the dashboard, once you buy a funded account, right, you're going to obviously have your credentials, your details, and then you hit the little button to basically navigate over to, you could basically trade right through the website, right through your browser, the Trade Locker dashboard. Now, I have videos on YouTube on how to use this. Very simple, very straightforward. You can see with this account, we've been trading this one for a while. I was doing really good, but then I took a big loss here due to my computer malfunctioning. So it kind of set me back here. But what I love about this is that there's no time limit, right? I can do this as long as, I can come once a day, a few times a week, make trades, and slowly grow this and pass this challenge. So right now, $1,200. Like I said, I was doing really good. You can see all my past trades here. So, very transparent with everything. You see all my past trades. You can see like just green after green after green, 330, 105, 954, $1,100, took $100 loss, and then green. And then this is where I got smoked out. Again, it was my own issue. I really should have a UPS hooked up. For those that don't know what a UPS is, go look it up. It's basically battery backup for your computer. It is important to have this because I lost all power and basically, I screwed myself. So, nonetheless, going back to the FunderPro dashboard, right? Obviously, we have our challenge accounts. And we have our challenge accounts, and then obviously we have a trade validation and platforms, right? So you can go to platforms not only. So Trade Locker to me is the absolute best platform there is in this world. I've used all trading platforms out there, everything from options trading to penny stocks trading to futures trading. Trade Locker is without the doubt the best platform. Like I said, I've got 10 years experience trading. I've used every trading platform out there. So I'm not blowing smoke up people's ass when I tell them it is the best fucking platform to use. It is super, super easy. So, but you can use CTrader if you want to. I do not recommend it. TradeLocker is the best. But going back here, obviously you have your assets overview, you have your economic calendar, which is really, really nice. You can basically see upcoming news that's basically coming out, and that's pretty nice to be able to see upcoming news and what day, and yeah. So that's really good. Now, going back to my challenge accounts, like I said, I have 2 challenge accounts. You can basically see with this one, average loss is 793, average win rate is 73.33%. Now, obviously my win rate would be much higher if I didn't take that big, massive loss because of my computer basically shutting down. Now, my average trade duration, this is very important. The amount of time spent on each trade, you can see that average is 1 minute and 39 seconds. Now, some people might say like, wow, that's really short. But it's not by choice, right? My trades, sometimes the time varies because of what the market's doing, right? I don't fight the market, right? I respect the market and I stay humble. If you don't stay humble, the market will humble you. So this challenge account, right? I'm at stage 1. Should be more than halfway done. I have not given this 100% of my time, but I'm going to start giving this, right? So for those that don't know, I'm basically growing a small personal account, and once that's done, then my main focus is really going to be using funded accounts and showing people that, hey, if you got the money, right, if you got the capital, you got the money to trade, then you don't need to use a funded account, or you can use a funded account, right? Because trading comes with stress and pressure, right? So there's no stress. When you're using a funded account, the only stress and pressure is focusing on becoming a better trader, right? Versus when you're using your own capital, right? There's a lot more stress there because you're like, I can't lose this $5,000. This is supposed to be money for my kids' college, yada, yada, yada. My wife doesn't know about this. My partner doesn't know about this. So with using a funded account, someone else's money, you basically limit the stress. There's not that much stress there. The only stress is, right, not blowing up that account. Because again, I tell people over and over and over again, trade well, profits will follow. But again, if you go back to challenges, right, if you buy a challenge account, right, the most you're going to spend, right, if you can go balls to the wall and spend $1,000 and get a $200,000 account. But again, this is fast track. But if you do regular, right? So you can do regular, you can do fast track, you do swing. So obviously the price, is going to vary depending on what you do. Now, obviously with fast track, obviously it's $1,000, 14%. Now remember, guys, you get 10% off, right? You get 10% off with my link below this video. So again, with regular account, you get 1 to 100 leverage, but with fast track, it's actually 1 to 50. Again, depending on what kind of trader you are, my personal opinion, you either want to go regular or fast track and start small, right? Start with a regular account, $5,000 account. You're basically paying $80 minus 10%. And if you blow the account, right, then you just buy another one because the most you're going to lose, right? You got to always look at everything as best case, worst case, best case, worst case. Worst case, you lose $80, $80. Best case, you pass your challenge, get a $5,000 trading account, get refunded your $80, trade well each and every single day, and now you're basically going to get payouts, right, from FunderPro day after day, week after week, as long as you do good, right? So obviously, depending on that one, you could withdraw, get paid out. But my point is that trade well, profits will follow. So go buy a challenge. If you guys are tight with money, go buy a challenge. Obviously, once you buy the challenge, this is basically going to be your dashboard. Then you get access your different challenges. Hit the TradeLocker link. Redirects you to the website, the TradeLocker website, where you don't have to download it. You can just use it right on the website. And from there, you can start making your trades, and I have other videos on how to use the TradeLocker platform. So that's a quick little tutorial step-by-step on inside the dashboard of FunderPro. Hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully it helps and educates you. If you guys are interested in asking me more questions or getting more help on a one-on-one level, feel free to click the link below this YouTube video, guys. Click the link below this YouTube video and join our 100% free Discord community. We have members in here day in, day out, making profits right through the TradeLocker app. Some of these members are using themselves a funded account through FunderPro, and some of them are using live real accounts. But you can see there's members in here, free members, 100% free, posting profits day in and day out. Now, at the end of the day, we want people to win, 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 succeed. Hopefully, you guys can join our team, free Discord group. Make sure you sign up using my link with FunderPro, get 10% off. And that's it for this video. Hopefully, you guys like it. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. And remember, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.